guys, today I'm gonna show you Kennet socks. It's a gift for any occasions, like this one called Socks for Honey. This one has a can opener. Let's pull it and open the can. It's actually very strong. OMG. Ah! It's broken. As you can see, this is not high quality. I guess it's called piece of shit. We're gonna open this can using a machinery. Now it's finally opened. Let's see what is inside. How do you think? What is it? It's a socks! Of course! It's a simple red socks. We will try it later. Let's open another can. This can for Brutally Man, and it has an opener. In the other side, hasn't. So we have to use machinery. Jink. It's actually big. Oh my god, it's so big. I like big socks. And it has a defect. We try this later. This one for general socks, and it has a like that, something like that, and it has a key, and I hope it will not broken. So let's get started. OMG, it works. Work, 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 work. Open and work, 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 work. Oh, it's men's socks for brutal guys with a little bit picture, a little bit pattern. Two black socks, men's black socks. We're gonna try this. Oh. It smells not bad. Not well, but not bad too. Try it later. And now we wait in a big can with a key. I hope it's work. With a beauty girl. Big 5 pairs. Socks for you, lovely. It's called like that. And on the other side we has a poem. It's on my language, but if I want to translate it for English, it will be like: my gift is small but very important. You need it when cold, you need it when wet. Legs have to be in a warm you will fit every time. This is my gift for you. This is very helpful. This is a poem. Ha! It's not so hard as I've shown you, actually. It could be pink or blue or red, but of course I have a black and gray. Oh, I think it's gray. Mr. Gray! Okay. G. I think this socks for men actually, but because it looks like a man's socks, you know, with these patterns, with this coloring, you know, because I think it's actually for men, but in a factory they thought, oh, I have this one cap, but I don't have blue and pink socks. What we have to do? What I need to do? And the master said, oh, just I give you the men's socks and put it in the women's, and it will be perfect. Okay, let's try them on.